$6.5 billion market cap. Does that feel cheap for Pepe? What's going to look like in this 2024-25 bull market? Well, lots of people believe Pepe is going to do what SHIB did back in 2021. We're going to break down a couple of key things you need to be aware of when it comes to this bull market, and importantly, when it comes to Pepe. So all of that in this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into it. So as always, everybody, welcome back. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on. Click all for the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. But let's take a quick look at the meme coin space. And it's been on a rampage. $8.6 billion worth of volume, 2.18% up, around $65 billion market cap. And Pepe, the 21st highest ranked cryptocurrency, breaking a $6.1 billion market cap. Now, I talked about this a while back that I expected Pepe to rally to $6-7 billion. I absolutely need to revise that. And I think Pepe is going to break a 10, maybe even a $12 billion market cap. Now, lots of people believe that Pepe could flip SHIB. That's $15.2 billion market cap. But when you start to look at the volume, $1.4 billion worth of volume running through Pepe as opposed to 981 million in SHIB. And actually, Shiba Inu only just starting to move. Well, the things start to get pretty exciting. Lots of people predict a huge move on Pepe, and a lot of people have been buying the dips as and when they do turn up. So interestingly enough, we see this $800 million trading volume from whales buying into Pepe. We've seen this a number of times. I've talked about it when you look at Etherscan. There are some massive whales buying into Pepe. There are equally some big whales holding the floor, namely big exchanges. Binance with over $1 billion now of Pepe, with many, many more starting to really accumulate their bags. Now, it's always worthwhile following the money, understanding where big money is going. And right now it is going into Pepe. And again, this is absolutely good news for anyone that's in it. And more importantly, gives us the sentiment of where this coin is actually going to go. Like I said, lots of people believe that we are set for a strong move in 2021. You can see here, look, Pepe's pullback was a loss of around 12.5% with a massive reversal then of 67.28%. And again, it still feels undervalued. It still feels like we have a significant move to come. You only have to take the fear and greed index to look at exactly what that means when you get this opportunity to look at it. Again, 24-hour trading volume breaking over $1.2 billion consistently. And that is the important part. Whenever you have sell pressure coming in at the same time with people buying, does absolutely drive a narrative when it comes to Pepe. Moreover, we are actually seeing big institutions starting to buy in. Bybit mentioned Dogecoin is the largest among meme coins, but we do know that Pepe is following very quickly. High liquidity, and ultimately accounting for 14.61% of the retail meme coin portfolio is pretty exciting. This is why people believe Pepe can absolutely flip Shiba Inu once it starts to really ramp up to that kind of same community. Remember, Shiba Inu over 1.1 million holders versus Pepe in and around 100 to 200,000. So I think this is all very, very important. And ultimately, like we said, the real testament of a project is when you actually see some selling, when you see big wallets, and bearing in mind there are some very big wallets in Pepe, sell, well, how quickly that chart rallies back up. You can see here the decline in RSI at the minute should see a shift entirely to the buying zone. So although Pepe may be on a slight cool off, actually this gives people an opportunity to buy in. And what we are seeing, bear in mind on that volume, is significant buys coming back in. The meme coin's great, the branding's fantastic, the volume's good, and the holder count is forever growing. When you take a look at the chart, what's even more interesting is this hold at the new floor at 1438 around the 1.0 Fibonacci, giving us a potential rally price of that 2087, which is the 1.618, could definitely be something that comes soon. Bitcoin retesting 71,000 and holding is a key metric. And we know Bitcoin moves followed by Ethereum, and then we see the meme coin narrative come as well. So I talked about this on my previous walk through the woods videos. Come and check them out every morning. Pepe for me is absolutely set for a big move. Now, like we said, we may see a little bit more consolidation and downward pressure. RSI slightly over on the daily. Likewise, MACD slightly trending bearish. However, it's building the floor. We see this all the time with Pepe, and then we see that move. You all have to do is zoom out and see part of this as to where this sits. So I think we're in for a pretty interesting move with Pepe. I actually think it will flip Shiba Inu in the 2024-25 bull market, depending on when you think it's coming. And I absolutely can see maybe even a $20 billion market cap for Pepe. Let me know. Am I absolutely out of my mind, or is there some sentiment a lot of people would agree with me. Let me know, what's your prediction for the market cap of Pepe this bull run? And again, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button. Check out some of the links in the description. It massively helps out the channel. And as always, smash that subscribe button. Come and join the family. We'd appreciate you, as always, being part of this 2024-25 bull market cycle. As ever, thank you so much for watching the video. See you soon. Bye-bye.